All right, guys, we got an Audi A5. This is a 3.2 V6. I'm gonna quickly show you guys how to disable the fuel pump system. Door panel right here. We're gonna open this up. There's a little tab that you stick your panel tool. There you go. All right, so in the back of that panel right here, there's a little chart right in the middle right there. Fuse number 3, 20 to 25 amp fuel pump. Right there, guys. So brown carrier, fuse number 3. So the brown carrier, that looks like a brown right here. Fuse number 3, so 1, 2, 3 right there. This is your fuse for your fuel pump module. Let's take that out. Pull that off. That's it. Disable. Let's try closing the door. Try again opening it up. Yeah, I didn't hear nothing. We get the battery hooked up still. I'm confirmed that it's disabled. I didn't hear the fuel pump priming when I opened the door. So that's it. That's how you disable the fuel pump. Thumbs up, subscribe, guys. See you again on the next one.